In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple accounts in Slack. Whether you're managing different projects, collaborating with various teams, or just keeping your workspaces streamlined, adding multiple accounts can enhance your productivity tremendously. Let's dive right into it. First things first, open up your preferred web browser and type Slack into your Google search bar. Once the results pop up, go ahead and click on the official Slack website link. Alternatively, you can directly type slack.com into your browser's address bar. Now that you're on the Slack homepage, you'll need to select your preferred workspace. If you're already signed in, simply click on the workspace you want to access from your list of available workspaces. This is typically found on the left-hand side of your screen. After you've selected your workspace, you have two options. You can either click on Open Slack to launch the desktop app if you have it installed, or you can choose to continue with Slack right in your browser. Both options work equally well, so you can choose whatever is more convenient for you. Once you've launched Slack and are inside your desired workspace, look towards the menu on the left side. You're going to want to locate and click on the option that says Invite People. This button is crucial for adding accounts to your workspace and can typically be found amongst other menu options such as channels and direct messages. Now, it's time to type in the accounts you want to add. You'll need to have their email addresses handy. Enter each one carefully into the designated field. This part is pretty straightforward, but it's an important step because these are the emails that will receive the invitation to join the workspace. Before you send out these invitations, take a moment to double-check each of the email addresses you've entered. This may seem like a small step, but ensuring the accuracy of each email address will save you time and hassle down the line. Mistyped emails can lead to invitations being lost or misdirected, which nobody wants. Finally, once you're sure everything looks good, click on the Send button. This action will send out your invitations to the designated accounts. They will soon receive an email with instructions on joining your Slack workspace. You've now successfully added multiple accounts to Slack, making collaboration within your workspace much easier. I hope this guide has been helpful for you. By following these simple steps, you can manage multiple Slack accounts without a hitch. Please feel free to replay this video if you need a refresher, and don't hesitate to share it with others who might benefit from these tips. Thanks for joining, and happy slacking.